Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 2 of cubes and cube roots. Now coming to the third question, evaluate. Evaluate means find the value of. So first question is cube root of 8 into 125. So just like in the rational numbers, here also we have to separately find out the cube roots. So cube root of 8 into cube root of 125. So what is the cube root of 8? That is 2. What is the cube root of 125? That is 5. So 2 5s are 10. Is it clear? Now coming to the second question, cube root of 3375 into minus 729. So separate it out. Cube root of 3375 into cube root of minus 729. It is cube root of 3375 into minus cube root of 729. Find out the cube root separately. So it is 3375 is 10, 15, 18. So 3, 1s are 3, 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 15, 3, 3s are 9, 2 remains, 7s are 21, 1 remains, 5s are 15, 3, 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 15. Now it is 5. 5 25s are 125, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. Okay. So here you write cube root of 3 cube into 5 cube into now 729. This 3, start with 3, 3, 2s are 6, 1 remains, 4s are 12, 3s are 9, 3, 8s are 24, 1s are 3, 3, 27s are 81, 3, 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So you got minus cube root of 3 cube into 3 cube. That means you will be getting within the bracket 3 into 5. Just like whatever we have done earlier, same but 2 sets we have to find. Into minus, there is a 3 into 3. Okay, minus you take it out. Okay, so it is a 3 5s are 15 into minus 3 3s are 9. Answer is plus minus minus 15 9s are 135. Is it clear? So separately you find out the cube roots and multiply the answers. Now coming to the third sum, the cube root of 4 cube into 5 cube. Directly it is given. Just remove the cube root and cube. So it will be 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is find out the cube root of the following rational numbers. That means we have to find out the cube root of the numerator and the cube root of the denominator. So cube root of 4913 and and cube root of 3379. 5. Okay. Now 4, 9, 1, 3. It is the cube of 17. If you remember the table, okay, so it is 2, 8, 9 and 17. 17s are 71s are. See, 17 square is 289 and 17 cube is 4913. Okay, you write the numerator cube root of 17 cube. You got? Now the denominator 3375. So find out the numerator, write it down and then find out the denominator. The prime factorization 3, start with 3 because you know so many times we have come across this number. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 2 remains, 7s are 21, 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 5s are 15. Now it is directly 5. 25s are 125, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So you got cube root of 3 cube into 5 cube. So here it will be 17 and denominator is 3 into 5. Hope you are understanding the same method, but you are writing in the numerator and the denominator. Now 17 upon 3 5s are 15. Answer is 17 by 15. Now coming to the second sum, it is cube root of minus 512. Cube root of minus 512 upon cube root of 343. Already you know the values, but to show the method, how we have to do? Okay, 512, it is 2, 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 1 remains, 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12, 2 1s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, now 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So you got minus cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube. Now 343 you know, it is of 7. 7 49s are, 7 7s are, 7 1s are. It is 7 cube. Cube root of 7 cube. So you got minus bracket open 2 into 2 into 2 upon 7. That means minus 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 upon 7. Answer is minus 8 by 7. Is it okay? So that was question number 2. Now question number 3. It is minus 686 upon minus 2662. Now, you know the tables of the cubes, isn't it? So, these 686 and 2662, they don't come. So we have to see first negative gets cancelled and it will be 686 upon 2662. Okay, first cancel the, if numerator denominator both are negative, it becomes positive. Now 686 and 2662, they are not perfect cubes. So what we have to do is check, can you simplify this lowest term? Can you convert? Yes, it is by divide by 2, then you get 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now this one will be 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. That means you got cube root of 343 upon 1331. समझ में आ गए? अगर जो भी नंबर दिया गया रैशनल नंबर वो परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है तो उसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करो, फिर उसके क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट करो. सो नाउ इट इज अ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 343 अपॉन क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1331. यू नो ऑलरेडी 343 किसका है? 343 is of 7, isn't it? Cube root of 7 cube and 1331 किसका है? 11 का, है ना? 121 11 11 सा cube root of 11 cube, that is 7 by 11 is the answer. So like this, some other numbers may also be asked. So you have to understand and do. Even for square root also, they might ask this type of sums. So if they are not perfect squares, then you have to simplify. In rational numbers, in cube roots also, they will ask this type of sums. So that is the question number 3 of question number 4. Third subdivision of question number 4. Now coming to the fifth sum. It is by which smallest number 5400 be multiplied. Remember the word problems, isn't it? So it is first we have to do 5400 prime factorization method. 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 2 zeros, 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 0, 2, 6s are 12, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 1 remains, 5s are 10. Now it is 3, 2s are 6, 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 15. Now again 3, 3 7s are 21, 1 remains, 5s are 15. Again 3, 3 25s are 75, isn't it? Now 5, 5s are 25, 5 1s are. Now 5 is only 2 times. So first you will write 5400 can be written as 2 cube, 3 cube and 5 square. So underline this 5 square. So which is the number to be multiplied? Means 2 5s are there. We want extra 1 5. Isn't it? Extra 5 we want. So which is the number to be multiplied? Answer 5400 must be multiplied by 5 to make it a perfect cube. समझ में आ गए सबको? ये ट्रिपलेट्स में है, ए ट्रिपलेट्स में है, लेकिन 5 नहीं, only 2 5s are there, so we want 1 extra, so that is why it should be multiplied by 5. Now coming to the sixth sum, which is the smallest number by which 16384 be divided. So 16384. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 9s are 18, 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0s are 9s are 18, 1 remains, 6 are 12. Now 2 2s are 4, 0, 4s are 8, 1 remains, 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 0, 2s are 4, 4s are 8. You have to be careful here. 2 5s are 10, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 1 remains, 6 are 12. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 8s are 16. 2 6 are 12, 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 4. You got 32, isn't it? So here place is not there. I'll take 32 to the right. Next step. Okay. So 32 is taken here for a further prime factorization. Again 2 1s are 6 are 2 8s are 16. So here again 3 you got, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So you write 16384, 2 cube, first set, 2 cube, second set, 2 cube, third set, and here again 2 cube, but in the last only 2. So 2 square, underline this. Okay. Now 2 square is extra, which is to be removed. Divided means removed. So it is 2 square. So answer 16384 must be divided by, this 2 square is extra, isn't it? Divided by 2 square, that is 4. So that the quotient may be a perfect cube. सो जो ट्रिपलेट्स में नहीं है उसको अंडरलाइन करने का है. मल्टीप्लाइड मतलब एक्स्ट्रा कितना चाहिए, डिवाइडर मतलब क्या एक्स्ट्रा है उसको निकालने का. तो इधर आप लोगों को 5 स्क्वायर मिला तो 1 एक्स्ट्रा 5 इज नीडेड, सो इट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. बट हियर it is 2 square is extra how much should be divided, means it has to be removed. That is 2 square. 2 square is 4. Hope you understood till here. So we have completed up to question number 6. Hope everyone understood all the sums. Okay. Thank you.